Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Mathematics Past Question 24. Given that 1, 3 is a unit matrix of order 3, that is a 3 by 3 matrix. Find what the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. Now, this 3 by 3 matrix, that is 1, 3, is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1. Now this is how it is represented. Now we have the plus, minus, plus. Now to find the determinant of this matrix, this is equals to, we'll pick the first one, 1 into 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, then minus 0 into 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, then plus 0 into 0, 1, 0, 0. Now, all of this here and all of this here will give us what? 0. But here, since 1 times 1 will give us 1 and 0 times 0 here will give us 0, so we have what this is equal to 1 into 1 minus 0. 1 times 1, 1. Then 0 times 0, 0. Then minus 0. The entire here is 0. Then plus 0. The entire thing here too is 0. So this is equals to what? 1. Because 1 minus 0 will give us 0, then 1 times 1 will give us 1, then minus 0 plus 0, and that is equals to 1. So that is option C. C is the correct answer to this question, 1. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.